Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to delete a Temu account. Now, firstly, to delete a Temu account, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Temu application on your phone. After you've opened up the Temu application, go ahead and click on the U option on the bottom of your screen like this. Now this will open up your profile menu. Now on this screen, on the top right corner, you'll see this settings option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the settings option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, click on this account security option. After you click on the account security option, you'll be redirected to your account security menu page. Now on this page, on the bottom of this list, there will be this delete your Temu account option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be again redirected to another page. Now on this page, firstly tick on this option and then click on this continue button. After you click on the continue button, you'll have to choose a reason for why you want to delete your account. So let's choose a reason and then click on continue. Fill this and then click on continue. After you click on continue, you'll have to verify your identity. You can either send a email verification code or use your password. So if you know your password, just simply use your password like this. And then click on this continue button. After you click on this continue button, your request to delete your account will be submitted and it will be confirmed or deleted within 7 days. Now just click on the confirm button and you will be logged out of your account. I hope this video helped you to delete your Temu account. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.